How to see blocked people on Snapchat. So the first step is by opening your Snapchat app and then go ahead on your profile found on the upper left corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile, click on the settings button found on the upper right corner of the screen and scroll down until you can see the blocked users option. So under privacy controls, you may be able to see the blocked users option right here. Go ahead and click on that one, and then as you can see now, you may be able to see the list of the users that you have blocked on Snapchat. So again, just a recap, open your Snapchat app, go to your profile, go to settings, scroll down and look for blocked users. Click on blocked users right here, and you may be able to see now the blocked people on Snapchat. So that's it. That's how you can see blocked people on Snapchat.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.